Hi there. In today's video, we will showcase the top 5 best router tables you can buy this year. Let's start. BOSCH RA1181 Router Table. At number 1, we have the BOSCH RA1181 Router Table. This benchtop router table provides a large work surface for woodworking and routing. Designed to fit a variety of routers, this router table is a versatile piece of equipment that will serve as an indispensable part of any woodworking shop. This BOSCH router table offers better dust collection for a cleaner work environment with its 2.5-inch dust collection port. The large aluminum top of this woodworking router table makes the table both durable and portable. This benchtop router table includes mounting hardware, features a tall aluminum fence with adjustable MDF face plates, 2 outfeed shims, and an aluminum router mounting plate. The starter pin and guard for the router curved workpiece are also included. Convenient storage and portability with a cord wrap feature. Note that the router mounting plate is approximately 27 by 18 inches in size. SKIL SRT1039 Router Table. The dimensions of this compact SKIL SRT1039 router table are approximately 29.2 by 18.9 by 14.5 inches, and it weighs just over 34 pounds. Incorporating an easy-to-install universal mounting plate, this makes it compatible with most router brands. The large aluminum fence measures 32 by 16.5 inches, and it features 2 adjustable feather boards to protect against kickbacks and guide the workpiece. Additionally, it has a starter pin and guard to ensure smooth and controlled operation when using curved edges on workpieces. There is also space for storing and used bits or commonly used accessories in the convenient and easily accessible built-in storage boxes. Although a basic router table, the SKIL SRT1039 is sturdy, easy to assemble, and offers excellent value for the price. Please note, however, there's no assembly manual included. KREG KIT1 Router Table. At number 3, we have the KREG KIT1 Router Table. For those who need something intelligently designed and built with aviation-grade aluminum, this KREG router table boasts a high-reduction MDF core, which provides a very solid and vibration-resistant top for your saw. The table size is around 24 by 32 inches, providing a very large working space and is completely customizable with your choice of fence, switch, and even our stand, whether it be of your own design or you purchase further accessories from KREG. It's important to note that this item is only the top. However, the legs and the fence can easily be purchased separately if this is the ideal size for your work process. Ultimately, it really depends on what you're aiming for when you're working in your workshop, and this can be a great addition to your range of tools if you're aiming to get precise and accurate cuts. WOODRIVER Router Table. The compact WOODRIVER router table has a 24 by 16-inch laminate-covered MDF table with an adjustable split fence and an aluminum straight edge. The fence setting determines the pressure applied at the infeed and the outfeed. To install the plate, simply remove the plastic insert that comes with the table, put it face down on top of the plate, and trace the inner diameter. This product also enables quick release and easy removal thanks to the cam clamps. Consistency, great for repeated applications. A sturdy keyhole slot is available, giving the user the choice to attach it to a wall or use it as a standalone. POWERTEC 71402 Router Table. Coming with dimensions of 28.15 by 16.73 by 5.7 inches and a weight of 28.1 pounds, this benchtop router table is designed to give you all the workspace you need to tackle bigger jobs. It offers ample room for larger boards and heavy routing, giving you the advantage of a full-size router table in a portable, easy-access format. This high-quality table features a durable, vibration-resistant MDF top, providing a robust, flat, and spacious surface for all of your projects. A carbon fiber-style tabletop skin offers an ultra-smooth, low-resistance surface that's perfect for easy sliding, allowing you to painlessly execute various router tasks. The benchtop router table also comes complete with a convenient single dust collection port, providing effective cleaning for maintaining a neat and clean working environment. This compactly designed setup includes pre-drilled holes that accept all standard router dimensions and accessories. We hope you've enjoyed our video on the best router tables. Thanks for watching.